everyone, a very good afternoon to all of you. And here we are back again with a live video. So I'll just wait so that everyone could join the live and then I can start. Hi Bodha, how are you? Hi Kalyani, hello. Hi Suganya ma'am. So this live video was again most requested by our customers by the previous live video. So for those who missed the previous live video, there we as Athar Jewels created that this gonna sell every jewelry at old gold rate. So we got a lot of DMs requests from each and every customers, and we are glad that they actually watched our live video, and some of them have purchased those jewelry items from our page, and that too at old gold rate. So we are glad. But yeah, this live video was utmost requested by you and by our customers. So here we are back again with another live video with the same thing. So today as well, we are going to sell each and every jewelry items, either be it from our website, be it from our reels, feed or live or anything. So we're gonna sell each and every jewelry items for today, but at old gold rate. The new rates, as you all know, has been hiked to 83,000. But for today, we are not giving you at that current rate. We're gonna give you at old rate. So you guys are lucky enough because obviously we got the chance to do it again. And yeah, here we are. Kids bangles. Definitely, we have a lot of kids bangles. We have Kara as well for adults as well. Everything. Hi Shri Kalara Redden. Hello. Hi. Alright, so let's start. Okay, so I'll show you each and everything. So we'll start with my favorite, which is leaf earring with the drops, and this is the first one, the leaf dangle earring, which is a side view of earring. I'll show you that as well. The lock. This is the lock behind the earring, as you all can see. So it's a lock system. So I'll just wear it if I can today. Yeah. So this is the earring it's look like, and this is a very cute earring for those who are looking for a gift purpose or for daily wear also. You can definitely go ahead with this earring, the one that I'm wearing. And this is very pretty cute plus adorable as well, and this is very convenient to wear. मतलब आप इसको easily पहन सकते हो because this is a dangle view earring, and this has no screw. But if you want to customize and screw, so kindly take a screenshot of this product and send us on our Instagram page. So this one is leaf dangle earring with the price for this at old gold rate is 6,500. 6,500 is the price for this leaf dangle earring, which is adorable, which is cute. Plus, if you're looking for a gifting purpose, if you want to gift to your daughter or your cousins, this is the perfect choice to make. So just take a grand look of this earring. This is a very cute one with the drop, and if you want to customize also, we'll customize, but it will take 15 to 20 days dispatch time. And as this product is ready, if you order today, you will get the delivery within 2 to 3 days all over India, and shipping charge is 270. So the price is only 6,500. Next, I'll show you a red drop earring, which is very cute as well, and आप इसको कैसे भी आप इसको wear कर सकते हो. You can style it with any outfit, be it kurta, be it sari, lehengas or any ethnic dresses. So this one we have in red ruby drop earring, which is also in flower pattern. So I'll show you the earring. This comes with a Bombay screw, so it's very easy to wear. For those who are looking for a Chennai screw, you can take a screenshot and send us the screenshot to our DM or WhatsApp number. For customization, we'll share you the details. This comes with a Bombay screw, which is ready-made, but if you want in Chennai screw, it will take 15 to 20 days dispatch time. So I'll just show you how this earring looks. This is how it looks, and I'll show you from the both ways. This one is very cute. So आप इसको कैसे भी स्टाइल कर सकते हो. You can wear with any color outfit, and this is very pretty as well. Plus budget friendly. Price for this earring at old gold rate is only 13,500. The new rates will be applied from tomorrow. So if you want to purchase, please purchase today itself, because you are getting this at old gold rate. So price is only 13,500 for this earring. So take a screenshot to place an order. Alright, so next I'll show you the solitaire ring which I'm wearing. And this is a very cute ring for those who are looking for, you know, something like in a chic and a classy as well, but with a twist or design. So this one we have in a new design shape in a solitaire ring. So I'll show you the more detailed look. This is how it looks from 360 view. And this comes with a size. So for the size you have to give us size you have to provide. So this is the size, and this is a solitaire ring with something a new twisted design, and this is a very pretty one which comes with Swarovski stones, as you all can see. This is also 14 karat gold with PIS hallmark. Or if you want to customize in 18 karat gold or 22 karat gold, so this can be done in any kind of customization as per your preferences. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this, or if you want to know more details like wastage, charge, weight, gold weight, and etc. Also, price for this solitaire ring is 11,000 only, which we are giving you at old gold rate. So new rates will be applied from tomorrow. So if you want to purchase this ring, which we have ready in stock, so kindly purchase this today itself, because we are giving you at old gold rate. Next I'll show you, this is a pendant set which comes with earring and pendant, and this is called Gatta set, which is in blue color, blue stone. We also have red and white as well, which is readily available. In case if you want to customize with another stones or with another color you want, definitely we'll do it. This is the Gatta set in blue pattern, which comes with the white and blue combination. It gives you the classy navy blue, and as you all can see, blue is itself is a rich color. So this is how it looks, which comes with a screw. So this earring comes with a screw. It's not a dangle, it's a screw earring. I'll show you the earring size. This is how it looks, and this is the pendant, which you can attach with any chain you want to, or if you have something like a minimal chain as well, any chain you can attach with this pendant. So this will go with any chain, be it a silver chain or be it a gold chain also. And this is the earring, which comes with a small and cute ball, and this is the screw, which is the Bombay screw. So this is the pendant and this is the earring. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this, because this is, again, we are giving our very best price. This is our old gold rate. Price for this is only 16,500. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this blue Gatta set, which is readily available, and if you place an order today, you will get this delivery within 2 to 3 days. This is only 16,500. Now let's move on to our black beads chain, because this we had the poll question, so many customers has inquired for this black beads chain, so we thought of doing it black beads as well. So here we are with the new designs, the black beads and polki. So this one we have in black beads chain. This one is black beads chain with a leaf floral design, which is, you can see the attached pendant. This comes with attached pendant. It's very cute. It's something new and traditional. It's a mixture of modern and traditional both. So black beads and gold. Gold comes with 14 karat gold with PIS hallmark. And as you all can see, the designs. This is the design, and it is very perfect. In fact, I'll show you the back as well. This is the back. It looks like the chain. It's pretty cute. It's pretty cute. I'll tell you, for those who are looking for something in a modern way of black beach chain, definitely you can go ahead with this one, because आज के टाइम पे कोई simple नहीं पहनते. Everybody wants something additional to their outfit, to their accessories. So I think this is your go to black beach chain if you want to upgrade your look. You know, by means upgrade your look, so you can go ahead with this one. Price for this is only 18,500, and this comes with a 20-inch chain. So the length of the chain is 20 inch, and price is only 18,500, which we are giving you at old gold rate. Now I'll show you the different pattern of a black beach chain which we have it in polki stone. I'll show you that as well. And this one is back in stock finally after so long. But yeah, in exhibition also we have stored a few more stocks in this, but here we are back again with this stock. So this one is a polki stone black beach chain, and length is 18.5 inches. Also price for this is only 19,500. So yeah, you can see this, it's very pretty as well, and so all can see these are the polki stones, which is semi-precious, and this comes with the BIS hallmark, which is 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. And again, this is also readily available, so if you place your order today, you will get minimum 2 to 3 days, maximum it's 4 days. And I'll show you the back as well. The back comes with a hook, which is again, and this is the black beach chain. Price is only 19,500. Now next is something very cute, which has a combination of pearls, gold and black beads. It's a 3 combo, so it's very cute. I'll show you. It is very cute. This is for them, for those who want something, you know, something like a new design or something elegant. This is a very different design that we have in black beach chain, which comes with a rise. No, these are not rise, but these are minimal pearls, which comes with a very high quality of premium pearls. आप इसको डेली वेयर में भी पहनोगे ना, nothing gonna harm your skin or nothing gonna be harmed with the black beach chain, because all this is 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. So you can wear it as a daily wear as well. And if you want to upgrade your look with your black beach chain, definitely go with this one as well, because this is the second go to go purchase. The first one that I showed you in the black piece, that was coming with attached pendant. But if you don't want a pendant, if you just want a chain with something additional, then you can go ahead with this one, because this one comes with a pearl. This is rice pearl black beach chain, and inches are 19.5 to be precise. This is 19.5 inches, and price for this is also 19,500. So this we are giving at old gold rate. $19,500 is the price of this black beach chain. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this. Now I'll show you in the earring sections which we have, and these are also, some of them are restock, some of them are new in design. So I'll show you the first earring that I have, and this is in fluorescent green. So by fluorescent, as you all can see, it's a mixture of green and yellow, so it's that pretty color. And yeah, this is in flower pattern and it's very cute. I'll show you the size of the earring so that you can decide how standard the size it is. This is the size of the earring, and this is very cute for those who are looking for a gift purpose or you know for festive occasion, and this is very perfect. आप देख सकते हो, I don't have to explain how cute or how adorable this earring is. The design says it all. So yeah, this is the pair which comes with a 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark, and this is in fluorescent green with a slightly touch of pearls. So you can see this fluorescent green earring, and price for this is only 10,000. This comes with a BIS hallmark. So लेट्स सी द डिटेल्स. एंड ये बॉम्बे स्क्रू के साथ आता है, तो आप देख सकते हो इट्स वेरी कन्वीनियंट टू वेयर फॉर दोज हु प्रेफर बॉम्बे स्क्रू. एंड फॉर दोज हु प्रेफर चेन्नई स्क्रू, यू हैव टू शेयर द पिक्चर ऑफ दिस ईयरिंग. So take a screenshot if you want to customize this earring in your way, in your preferences, and send us on our Instagram page or WhatsApp number which I've posted now. Price for this earring is 10,000. So if you place your order today, you will get within 2 to 3 days. Now next we have in pendant set. This comes with a pendant and earring. So this one is a Navratna pendant set. So by Navratna means 9 stones. This whole set comes with 9 different stones. So let's have a look with this one. पहले हम लोग earring पे focus करते हैं, then I'll show you the pendant. So this is the earring, which is a stud form, and this also comes with a Bombay screw. The designs are so intricate, like you can see it, right? It's very much beautiful. It's very beautiful. इसके stones के colors भी अगर आप देखोगे, these are all 9 stones. 9 different stones of different shades. So yeah, this is how the standard size of the stud looks like, and this comes with a Bombay screw. So it's very easy, and ये light weight भी है, आपको problem नहीं होगा manage करने में. You will easily manage. You can carry out this whole day. So yeah, this is how it looks. Now let's talk about the pendant that we have. This is a pendant, and this comes with a hook. Of course, this is the hook, and आप इसको कोई भी chain के साथ attach कर सकते हो. This is the pendant, and this is the earring. So let's focus on the pendant as well. This is so pretty, like the stones, the emerald stones and beads. It's all the combination of stones, 9 different stones. So it is that pretty. So let's talk about the price. So price for this is only 36,500, which we are giving you at old gold rate. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this. And this, the whole set comes with a 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. So this is how it looks. Now I'll show you the ring that we have in studded. Alright, so I'll show you the ring that we have in fluorescent, but this is a floral way. So anyways, let's talk about this floral red ruby ring, and this is totally adjustable. So you do not have to worry about the size and all if you want to gift someone, और अगर आप खुद के लिए चाहिए, so you can go ahead, because ये adjustable size के साथ आता है. So आपको check नहीं करना पड़ेगा कि आपका कौन सा ring size है and all, because people often finds difficult to find out their actual ring size. It's perfect for them जो adjustability कर सकते हैं. So ये आप easily manage भी कर पाओगे, and you can wear this as a daily wear, but it depends on you how you will carry out. So this is ruby flower adjustable ring, and price for this is only 12,500. This is that budget friendly ring. 12,500 is the price for this. Now we have in Swarovski studded ring. This one right here, this is the Swarovski studded ring, as you all can see. I'll remove this ring so that you all can focus on this ring itself. This one we have in studded. All the stones are Swarovski. So I'll show you the more detailed look of the ring. So if you see more closely, it comes with the Swarovski stones and in a leaf pattern. All the crystals are Swarovskis and comes with a 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. So I'm wearing in my finger ring. आप कहीं भी पहन सकते हो, because this gives you like whole party look, whole occasion look. आप इसको फेस्टिव वेयर में भी पहन सकते हो. It's not necessary that आपको हर चीज़ में only for party wear ही पहन सकते हो. You can give this to your special ones as well because obviously Valentine's is coming, so आप देख लो, आप photos ले लो, take a screenshot and send it to her or him, whoever you like. So this is the perfect choice, but for this you have to give us the size. But if you want adjustable size, we can make it an adjustable as per your preferences, but the price will be a little high than the actual one of this. Also, this price for this Swarovski studded ring is only 11,500. Now we have something for those who are looking for a daily wear ring, and this is for the daily wear ring. Basically, this one. This is also the daily wear ring for those who are looking for the formal wear ring sort of. And ये आप किसी भी outfit के साथ पहन सकते हो, be it a modern outfit, be it a traditional outfit, or be it any outfit. It doesn't matter because Swarovski stones goes along with any kind of outfits you want to wear, be it traditional, be it modern, or anything. So ये वाला भी जो है ना, ये आप डेली वेयर के लिए तो बिल्कुल पहन सकते हो, आप बिंदास पहन सकते हो. Because the reason it's very minimal look, it will give you the minimal look as well, and for those who want something like a basic and plus a chic look as well, तो आप इसमें जा सकते हो because it comes with a new design that we have, and this is also Swarovski stones with BIS hallmark, and price for this is only 7,500. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this ring. This is 7,500. Now next I'll show you in Navratna ring we have, because this is also highly demanded ring. Mostly customers has ordered for this Navratna ring, and so ये रहा Navratna ring that I'm wearing, and this comes with adjustable, which again you do not have to worry about the size. So this is Navratna adjustable ring which comes with 9 stones and 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. Also, let me tell you the price for this ring. The price for this ring is only 11,500. It's only 11,500. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this ring. Now, next we have the snowflake pendant, and it's very cute. I mean, बहुत लोगों ने इसके order already कर चुके हैं. Exhibition में we have sold, I don't know how many pieces we have sold. It's like uncountable. Many pieces we have sold in our exhibition, but yeah, we are back. This is back in stock, and this is snowflake pendant which is highly requested by our customers. This is a snowflake pendant which is in 14 karat gold, comes with Swarovski stones, semi-precious, and BIS hallmark. Also, price for this is only 6,500, which is very affordable. So आप इसको आज ही ले लो because we are giving you at old gold rate and not the current rate. Take a screenshot of this pendant if you want to place an order today. This is readily available. Maximum 4 days delivery होगा, minimum 2 days. Now, next I'll show you a dangle earring which has Japanese beads. So Japanese beads are very different kind of shape and patterns, and this is how it looks. Also, ये dangle earring है, so by dangle means a side hook. So this is again for those who doesn't want a screw, and very lightweight as well. So this is how it will look. This is the back, which comes with the locket size, and you can lock from the behind. So I'll just show you the standard size of this earring. This is how it will look. And you know, no matter what आप ये कोई भी outfit के साथ पहन सकते हो, be it modern, be it traditional or anything. And because this is the combination of pearls and you know, Japanese beads and stones, polki. So this is very cute, and it's also pretty. It's very beautiful as well because the combination of the stones and colors here. is great combination. So so just take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this earring, because iska just we have only limited stock. So this is the one, Japanese beads dangle earring, and price for this is only 6,000, which is very affordable, which we are giving at old gold rate. So it's better if you order today, because the new rates apply ho jayenge, so it's of no use if you order tomorrow or day after tomorrow. You're getting a higher discount on this today itself, 6,000 for this earring. Now I'll show you the V-shaped ring, and this is also for those working for a daily wear ring, a formal or basic wear ring, जो ऑफिस वेयर के लिए चाहिए होता है ना कि हमको एकदम मिनिमल रखना है बट येट chic and classy. So here we are with our V-shaped ring, and this is how cute it looks. आप ये किसी भी अपने स्पेशल फ्रेंड को गिफ्ट भी कर सकते हो विदाउट इवन थिंकिंग, बिकॉज दिस कम्स विद Swarovski stones and the designs are timeless. So this proves the designs and every artificial designs. So gold इसमें 14 carat है with BIS hallmark. In case you want to upgrade the gold weight, you can go ahead with the 18 carat gold as well, but 14 carat is always nice choice. तो आप ये डेली वेयर में भी पहन सकते हो, and you just need to carry out the whole day. And this comes with the size, so if you want to give your size you can, and but if you want to customize this in adjustable size, so price will be very different. Also price for this V-shaped ring is only 7,600. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this ring, which is only 7,600, and size you have to give us. Next we have red ruby mala, this one right here, which is in a mala, and it's a form of necklace as well with the side tikra. So let's have a look of this mala. This one we have in red ruby mala with side green tikra. So green tikra is this one. This is the side tikra pendant that is attached with the mala. I'll give you more close look, and this comes with the polki and beads and stones. The gold is 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark, and the back, the door is given so you can adjust. This is the whole mala necklace looks like, and price for this necklace is only 19,500. So if you want to place an order today, you will get this at 19,500, but from tomorrow or day after tomorrow, any day after tomorrow, आपको न्यू रेट में मिलेंगे, which I don't know how many rates I have to apply, but yes, this we are giving at old gold rate. So price for this necklace is only 19,500. So if you want to place your order, or if you want to customize this necklace also, आप आज ही order place कर दो, so that आपको ये best price में मिलेगा. 19,500 is the price for this. Now the last piece that we have for today's live, and this is the purple earring, and this is very cute because बहुत लोगों ने अपने daughters के लिए खरीदा था, mostly in our exhibition. So their mothers loved it, that's why they have purchased it. And this one we have in dangle earring form, which comes in tulip pattern. Tulip is also a flower, so the pattern, as you all can see, it's a tulip form of pattern, which again comes with a side hook, as in the back hook. And I'll just show you how this earring looks. And this is done. बस पीछे से आपको ये लॉक करना है, the rest is done. So this is how the earring looks, and though I'm wearing a normal top also, this gives you the glow on your skin. Why? Because of the stones, and obviously it's gold plus the color of this stone. These are purple stone, so it's very cute and chic, and also आप इसको daily wear में भी पहन सकते हो because it's very easy to carry out the whole day, and ये light weight भी है. तो अगर आप अपने daughters के लिए भी देख रहे हो ना, this is very perfect choice to make, or your granddaughters as well. So she will love it. they will love it as well. जिसके लिए भी आपको ये गिफ्ट के लिए लेना है, you can definitely go ahead with this one. And yeah, price for this earring is only 6,500, which is very affordable at today's rate that we are giving you at old gold rate. So कल से the new rates will be applied. So if you are looking for something like this kind of earring, do DM us by taking a screenshot so that we can show you more options that we have. 6,500 is the price of this earring. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this earring, or if you want to customize this earring as per your preferences. So this is it, and this is how we are done with the live. But for the next live, kindly will update you. But yeah, do suggest us which kind of jewelries you want to see us on our live, and in case you want to order, please order today, because you are getting whatever you want to order. आप order कर लो, क्योंकि आपको आज अगर आप order करो, you will get it with the best price. But if you're doing it tomorrow or day after tomorrow, new rates will be applied, which we can't do anything. But for you all, we have requested, we accepted your request for the live, and hence हम लोगों ने वापस से वो old gold rate वाला आपको आज live में दिखाया, just for you, for those who have missed our live or those who have missed our offers. So today is the last offer of old gold rate. So if you want to place your order today itself. And for the next live, we'll definitely update you through our stories. Till then, have a nice day ahead. Customize also same rate. मैम actually क्या ना, customize का depend करता है how much changes you want or how much additional you want to add in that jewelry. For example, अगर आप ये earring देख लोगे, इसमें अगर आपको कुछ add करना है additional, so it might charges. But if you want to just replace the stone, or if you want to replace the balls with another balls also with just normal same, so it will vary the same cost. But if you want to add something into this, then it will vary something. So it depends on the customization as what you want for that earring. Still then, the rest thing is all done. So yeah, thank you for joining our live, and stay healthy and have a good day ahead. Bye.